Okay, we have a 15 by 50 TURNMASTER gap bed engine lathe. It has 15 in swing with 23 in the gap and 15 centers. Serial number 11586020708C. Machine was new in 1986. Okay, we're going to run it for you. Machine has inch-end metric threading capability. It has a taper turning attachment. You have 2 steady rests. Right now we're running at a low RPM. It's a CAMLOck D16 spindle. You have from 25 up to 2000 RPM. That's forward and reverse. You also have a foot brake. Besides the 2 steady rests, you also have a follow rest. It's going a little bit faster. You have a 2-axis analog digital readout. Bit faster. You have thread dial indicator for the threading, forward and reverse. Going up. We're using the cross feed. You can see it on the digital readout. Reverse the direction. Longitudinal feed. You can also see it on the digital readout. And you can reverse direction of that too. Going back the other way, reversing. All right. That's the compound. We also have threading. Gauging the half nut, and we're threading. Okay. Great. TAILSTOck, which is a number 4 Morse taper with 6 inches of travel. It's good. All right. Foot brake. Maybe a high RPM. Let's do one high RPM. Machine's nice and quiet. All right, thank you for watching our video.